Welcome to everyone, Super Global Host. In our previous video, we show how can one patient he can book one appointment from the website or mobile apps. So now in the front end, we will show how can we create those appointment and how can we manage those appointment. How can we create those slot, everything in detail. So this video is very important. So I request you to see the full video without any skipping to understand all the functionality details. So this is the appointment apps we using here. If we click this appointment apps, then by default they are coming to filter today not done. So here showing only today the appointment that we take, and those are not done. Those, if we remove this filter today and not done, then all the appointment that are available in the system showing. So now we go in deep about this appointment system. At first I want to discuss about the configuration. Before configuration, we want to discuss one point here: online appointment. So if we click this online appointment, then all the appointment that take from the online, it's showing. For example, this 34, 35, 36, those are appointment is come from the online. How it come online? If I go the website and click appointment tab and select any doctor and click get appointment and select any date, then from here patient can take the appointment. It is by the patient that book it from the website. So if any receptionist or any medical officer who is responsible for this appointment, if he click simply this online appointment, then he can found all the appointment that come from the online, and he can simply check what is status. It is draft or confirm or cancel. What is the status? If it is draft, then he can open it and he can confirm it, and if it is confirmed, then he can do it the next step or waiting for the time when this patient come physically in the hospital, if he is select to come hospital. We have also option to telemedicine and also video call medicine. That means the patient also book appointment for video by video call. They can also take the consultation services. And also from home visit, if they give the home visit, then also we can see the number is 34. This number, when a patient book this appointment, then he select it uh, uh, home visit. So from there he give one link for his home or where he want to take this service. So this link is showing here, and if I click go to URL, if I click here, then in the Google map it directly show that place. For example, we select this place. The patient, when he book this appointment, then this time he select he give the URL of this place. So Google map open exactly that place. So the management they can find out the place, and doctor can go there and serve there. So this is the home visit, and that you see this is the tick outside appointment. That means it is outside. So if we open other, for example this one, this patient did not request for home visit. So this outside appointment is not checked, and URL also not checked here. So if he is request for video call consultation with doctor, then this this will be tick, but as it is not, so it is unchecked now. So now this appointment, the slot that book from the patient from the website, or from the responsible person who book from the backend. We also book those appointment from the backend. From the backend, if we want to book those slot, then we need to click simply this option. The first option, online appointment. I discuss everything, cover most of the thing about this one. So now I want to go appointment slot. So this, if I click this appointment slot, then it give me a very beautiful very beautiful one calendar. So in this calendar I can show all the available slot here that I show in the website. For example, if I show, for example, see this one, Doctor 1, date is 4. So here showing appointment 8 to 8:15 to 9:45 to 20. So there have around 10, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. Total 33 appointment available here. Same thing, this is a patient when they book this from the website. Same thing when any responsible person, for example, receptionist, or who is responsible for the management of this appointment, he simply click this appointment slot, then he can show same thing that patient show from the website. So see here, for example, date 4, if I click expand it, then it show all the available slot here, and the slot that already booked, this is show some different color. As you remember, before we have one appointment 34, 35, those are those. If I click here, then we can also show this one, the appointment number also you can show. This is 34 that book from the online in our previous video, that we you can show it from there how he applied this one. So those two and this one, these three already booked. So now you can see here how much 46. So why it is 46? Because it is showing all the available slot on that day, not not only one doctor. You can filter the hair doctor wise. In our website it is showing only one doctor, Doctor 1, but here it show all the doctors. So if you uncheck the demo doctor, for example, I uncheck this demo doctor, then now you can see the exact the number that showing, you can also show here. So this is the one filtering option. You also there have department wise. So I need to also uncheck this department wise. So if I uncheck this department wise, then it will be totally unavailable, because we have only one department. So it need to click, and also we need to select the doctor also. So there have their filtering option. Also date wise we can filter. For example, this is 2. If we click 4, then only the available slot of 4 is coming. If it is 5, then it is 5 coming. As we have too much appointment here, slot here, for that it not show in proper way. If we go to by day wise, or if we go by, this is very good view in monthly, then we can click, then we can easily view all the available slot here. So we will discuss it more deeply after discussion my schedule and configuration. So we see online appointment slot, and now I want to discuss about configuration. If I click configuration, then there have some option. For example, appointment purpose. If I open this one, then we get here some option, what is the purpose for this consultation. For example, it is for consultation, or it is for report, or it is for certificate. We can add a new option here also. For example, appointment purpose. What is the appointment purpose? You can write here for follow up checking, or whatever you want to take in your system, you can write this one. Then the second option is cabin. So in consultation, maybe we have many room, many cabin. So we can make those room number here from this option. You see, already there have one option 101. So if you want to create another, then simply type 102 another, then it also come. So when you give the appointment, this time you can select those cabin number. Then there have most important two things is and the last okay, I go to this option. The last option I can discuss, cancel region. If I click here, then what is the reason for cancel any appointment? For example, I write here one appointment, patient not available. If patient not available, then we can make the cancel. So if we go to cancel any appointment, then it asks us to put some reason. For example, this already booked this appointment. So if this already booked, so from here we cannot open this one. We can open, for example, this one already one appointment, it is already cancel state. This is the confirm state. Okay, so this is 31, it is already confirmed. So if I click the cancel button, then he asks me put one region. So if I click here, the region that we mentioned here, we simply choose this option, and we can easily cancel this appointment. So this cancel region, it use in this way. We can add another cancel region for here. For example, doctor not available. So when we give the go to the cancel any appointment, then we also select this option also. Now you see there have one option, booking, appointment booking configuration. So here we have one option, appointment schedules and appointment slot, and the third option, create appointment slot. So what are those three terms? We need to understand very very carefully those three things. So now at first I want to open this one, appointment schedules. So see, I open this one, appointment schedules. So in our system we see we add only two doctor here. If you go to the physician, we add more doctor. For example, we add 3 doctor, but casuals we make only for 2 doctor. So other doctor we did not create casual with. So here you see, if I click this appointment schedule, at first we go appointment, then configuration, then appointment schedule. Then there have two doctor, we already make the schedule. So how we make the schedule? If we open doctor 1, then you see here we at first we select doctor 1, then his time zone, then show fees. Show fees means in website it show his fees, how much he charges. We put here 100, and then we select the department of this doctor, and there have a physician and a company. So if it is a multiple company, then we can select accordingly. Here we can configure. So how the schedules is work? For example, you can see here we make here for example Monday morning doctor start from 8 to 12, and Monday evening 15 to 20. It is demo data, it is not real data, it is demo data, so it is not considered it is a real data. I make it as a demo data. In same way I make all those things. Sunday the morning this time, so you can change this. For example, no this doctor is not Monday not available this time, he will be available from 9 to 12, and 9 to 12 in the morning time, and the evening time he will come. When he will come in Monday, maybe he will come on 20. We will make here for example 17. Okay, so we can change based on the schedule of this doctor, we can change this one. So this is the thing of this. After that we need to simply click this save button. So when we make this one, if we check the website, see this is doctor 1, this is Saturday 9, they are showing 8 to 90, 8 to 90. So how it coming? It coming for this setting, because here we before we setting how much we setting here. Before I make as before it was 15 and it was 20. It was before that we set there. So it is 8 to 12, and the evening session 15 to 20, and all the same. So it start from 8 to 12, and after that there have break, and after that 15 to 20, and it is way this one. But you can see here one thing, this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. We have leave or weekend in Friday. So Friday we do not have any schedule. So in our system, if we check if 3 the Friday, we do not have any schedule. Even you put any schedule, system did not take those schedule. For example, I show you this is the 3. So we will show this one, and I save this one. Okay, for another doctor, so this option from where come? Configuration. Then I discuss only this option, do not discuss any other. Now I discussing only appointment schedules. So we see the appointment schedule of this doctor, then open demo doctor. We make same thing for demo doctor. Now it is some changing. For example, here before doctor 1, his time is start from 8 to 12, and evening 15 to 20. Evening is same, but the morning 10 to 12 it is not same. For this it show 10 to 12, but doctor 1 it is 8 to 12. How it work in the website, if you go, then it will be very clear how it working. If I click this appointment, so to doctor 1, if I select get appointment, click 4, then you see the schedule show start from 8 in 20, as it here doctor 1 start from 8 and in 20. So for that it's showing. Now if I go to the another doctor, for example demo doctor, get and click 4, you can see now it start from 10, but it in 20. So why it show 10? For doctor 1 it start from 8, but here it show 10. Why it show 10? Because demo doctor 1 we select is 8, but for doctor demo doctor, this is the another doctor, we set is from 10. As we set is from 10 to 20, for that it's showing 10 to 20. I think it is clear this point. Why it's showing this time? Because we set in the backend this setting. Now there have another interesting thing. you can see here that the schedule is 10 to 30, 10:30, 10:30 to 11. So the time duration is 30 minutes. But when we go to the doctor 1, then the time duration, if we schedule, then the time duration 8 to 8:15, 8:15 to 8:30, that is 15 minutes. So how this configure? This configure is not from here. So the first configuration is appointment schedule. This is we do in this way. Now I want to show you that second point is appointment slot. If I click this appointment slot, so this appointment slot, how it come, I discuss this later, but at first I want to show how this is coming in the system. So at first I want to see there have two doctor 1 and demo doctor. So 4, this is schedule slot, not appointment schedule slot. I now go the second point. If I open this one, then you can see we set here 8 to 8:15, 8:15 to 30. So there we said the duration is 15 minutes, and limit, that means limit of this, in this duration how many patient we allow. So we allow only 1, so remaining also 1. When 1 is not there, then they are showing 0. For example, see this one 10 to 10:15, this is book. 10 to 10:15, this is book. So they are showing limit 1 but remaining 0. Why remaining 0? Because this is already book. If we check this one from the website, doctor 1 10 to 10:15, doctor 1 10 to 10:15, you cannot find in the system because it is already booked. And from the back end, if we go appointment slot in 4, see this one already booked 10 to 10:15. So it is coming in this way. So this is the limit, that means available on this time, and this is the remaining. So for example, if I book this one, you can see it for example from our website. If I book this slot, for example, I select this one and I confirm, and I select this one, success pay. So I book this one as a patient. So I which one I book? I book this part 8 to 8:15. See, it is already paid and booked 35 in number. So now if I refresh the browser, I refresh, see what happened here. Before here 8 to 8:15, this is limit 1, remaining 1. Now see remaining is 0. Why is it 0? Because we book this part. And if I go to the appointment tab also, 4, see this is not available, 8 to 8:15 not available because it is already booked. So from website, if it is booked, then it is showing. So my purpose here to tell about those two column. What is this? This is limit. What is means by this limit, and what is means by this remaining limit. So limit is means how many slot we are allowed to book the patient, and remaining limit is the remaining how much left. So this is the patient name, and this is the his department. So this is coming in this way. If we open any other slot, for example slot 3, see here we have date 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am discussing about slot 3. There are no slot. Even you add any slot, it will be not take the system. Why? Because this is the available slot, it follow this this one. If we open this one, for Dr. 1, you can see we have vacation or leave, or we can called weekend in the Friday, and the Friday is 3 January. As Friday we did not configure here, so if we click this appointment slot, in this appointment slot you see the slot date, schedule and slot lines. How much? There show 0 record, because we have no schedule on this day, so we cannot make any slot on this day as we do not have any schedule. But we have a schedule on 4, that is Saturday, 5 that is Sunday, 6 that is Monday. So it will be come, but it come according the setting that we make there. For example, if I open for demo doctor 5, see there have we make the slot duration is 30, 10 to 10 13 minute, 10 to 10:30, 10:30 to 11, that is the limit is 30 minutes. Okay, so now we see how can we make this one. This is clear, appointment slot, how we make this one. And now our question, how appointment slot it come. Appointment slot we can make it manually, or we have one option here, create appointment slot. So this appointment slot, it is we can make in two way. We can make it manually, or we can make it from create appointment slot. So how it work? If I click this appointment slot, and we need to select the doctor name. For example, I select Dr. 1, and there have I need to select the date as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 already we have. So now for Dr. 1 we do not have 6. Yes, but Dr. 1 we do have 6. So we again need to see from here. Dr. 1 we have only 4 and 5. We do not have 6. So from here we just click this create appointment slot. We select the Dr. 1 and start date, it will be automatically come Dr. 1. Start date will be 6, in date will be, for example, I select the 7, and this come automatically from the system. We can also check change minute in slot, in every slot how much we want to give. For example, we will give here 20, and we allow how many slot per slot. For example, 20 slot, in each slot we allow only one person, one patient, so we select 1. But if each slot we want to allow 2, then we need to select here 2, and after that we need to simply click create. So based on this our creation, here we show the appointment slot. So simply from here, if we click this appointment slot, then those two is coming new. See this 6 and this 7, and how much here record is 28 and 28 both, because time duration we give 20. So system calculated, and after every 20 minutes he make one slot. If we show in website also, if we select Dr. 1, get appointment slot, if we click 6, then we can see the available slot 8 to 8:20, 8:20 to 40, 4:20. So this way it is working. So I think it is very clear which one work for how. So if we click create from here, it automatically come here. Also we can create here manually also. If we want to create here one slot extra, then we can give the date, and we can select the casual, and we can add a line. For example, start date, in date, and we can create it manually, but we do not want to make manually. And the one beautiful thing here is, if we create it one time, then in the next time system will be automatically generate for the next week. That means system will automatically create the slot same sequence for the next week using the scheduler that we make one time. So it repeating same thing. So you do not need to make same thing again. Although you have anytime you can change any value, but system will be make it is automatically. So in one doctor he is starting, so his schedule will be continue until we stop it. So we have save time to make same schedule in every time. So now we see this point, we cover all this point, and here have one option, my schedule when any doctor is logging. For example, now I am in admin user. So if I click create own slot, then I cannot select any system did not take any physician here because I am not a doctor. So here I log out and I logging by a doctor account. For example, I doctor 1 that we testing, and I need to give password. Okay, gmail.com. Maybe this password is not correct. Okay, maybe this password here not correct. For that it did not log in. We continue the admin account, because admin account he cannot, as it is not his he is not set as a doctor. For that he cannot create his own slot. I think you get the point how uh, the slot is created as a doctor. In next video we will discuss about this one. So now I am logging as a admin there where we are want to go there again. So again I logging here, and the point that I discussing here, I go to appointment. This option, this is option for doctor. That means doctor he want to make his own slot. This time he will using those one. For example, he can create his own slot. This time it will be automatically select, physician automatically select. He just need to select the rest of thing, how many time he give for each slot, and booking time, everything he can give. And also my schedule means doctor he can show his own schedule, he can show his own slot. For my case I do not have any slot, but if I can log in by this doctor, then I can show you this thing. Okay, now what are remaining there, we show here appointment purpose, appointment cabin, and this one, and also we discuss about this one, we discuss this one and this one we need to discuss something. For example, appointment slot. So if we click this appointment slot, so from here how can we book one appointment? For example, we select this Sunday, we want to book. This is already booked, so this show one color. we want to book an appointment in this one. So simply we need to click here, and it is the from the backend. How can we book? So backend, we simply need to click this option, and we need to click edit, and after that we need to go the next step. So in our next video we will show how can we book appointment for any patient. So thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.